everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We often prepare snacks and savories during festivals or special occasions. But the best joy comes from surprising your kids with some nice tasty and crispy snacks when they're at home. Today I'm going to share a wonderful snack recipe. We're going to make these delicious and crispy Lobia Vadas. Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of white lobia, measured with a 250 ml cup. I've soaked the lobia for about 3 to 4 hours. As you can see, it's puffed up beautifully and it's now ready to be used. I've already prepped all the ingredients, so let's dive right into the process. First, strain the soaked lobia and transfer it to a mixer jar. Grind it without adding any water. Once it's partially ground, stop the mixer jar, scrape down the sides and grind again. At this point, add 1 teaspoon of salt. If the batter feels a bit too dry, you can just add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, but no more than that. We are not aiming for a smooth paste here. The batter should be slightly coarse. The coarse texture is what gives this vada its signature crispiness. Now transfer the ground mixture into a bowl. Time to add some flavor to it. Add in 1 finely chopped onion, 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 finely chopped green chilies, a few fresh curry leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are well combined. Our lobia batter is ready. Now we can start making the vadas. Heat enough oil in a deep kadai. Once the oil is hot, take small portions of the batter, shape it gently with your hands and drop it carefully into the oil. Don't overcrowd the kadai. Let each vada cook evenly and get that beautiful golden brown crisp. Keep the flame on medium. This ensures the vadas cook evenly both inside and out. Just look at the vadas. They are golden, crunchy and absolutely tempting. Once they are fried to perfection, take them out and drain the excess oil. Repeat the same for the rest of the batter. And there you go, here is a crispy, crunchy lobia vadas that is ready to be served. Look at the texture. It's nice, golden and packed with flavor. Now I am serving this with fresh coconut chutney. And trust me, it's a perfect match. So next time, instead of making the usual medu vada or the masala vada, try making this lobia vadas. I'm sure everybody will absolutely love it. It makes for a wonderful evening tea time snack. Wow, those vadas were so crispy and so tasty. I really enjoyed them with that nice coconut chutney by the side, but you can enjoy them as is. So next time when you get these nice lobias from the market, instead of making the usual curry, try these vadas. I'm sure everybody will absolutely love them. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.